All right, boys and girls, so welcome to Wednesday's lesson. This is very similar to what we did yesterday. Yesterday we talked about the customary system. Today we're going to be working with the metric system for conversions, just on length. So just a reminder, we're going to go up to the top, zoom in. Okay, you will be doing 9 through 23 on your own, but we're going to walk through the first couple together to kind of get back to that mindset of, okay, what do I do? So using your star reference sheet, okay, we're going to be taking, number one, 1,000 centimeters and converting it into meters. Well, on our star reference sheet, this one's fairly simple because we know 1,000 centimeters, okay, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So we're going to do 1,000 divided, see if this will work a little bit better. There we go. Divided by 100. And remember, boys and girls, whenever we're working with tens, hundreds, thousands, and we're dividing, if I have 2 zeros here, I can cross them off and take off 2 zeros here. And so then we just have 10 divided by 1. Okay, because there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So our answer then would just be 10, because we're going from a small unit to a large unit, so we're dividing. Okay, now we're going from, on number 2, we're going from 58 meters to millimeters. Okay, this is going to be kind of a little bit more work. So the first things first, we look at our chart. It goes meters to centimeters, and then centimeters to millimeters. So this is going to be kind of a 2-step kind of problem. So I'm going to take, I'm going from a large unit to a small unit. So I'm multiplying. So I'm going to do 58, and I'm going to do times 100, because that's going to get us down to centimeters. And remember, since we're just multiplying by 100, we take these 2 zeros and add them to the end. So we have 5,800. All right, so now this is our centimeters part. But now I need to take it one step further and get to millimeters. So for every 1 centimeter, there's 10 millimeters. Okay, I know this because it's on my conversion chart. The link for the conversion chart is in the directions, so make sure you click on it and have it open on a separate tab. So since I know there's 10 millimeters, I'm going to multiply this by 10. So again, since I'm multiplying by 10, we did hundreds here, tens here, I'm just going to add a 0 to this original number. So now I have 58, okay, our original, and I have 1, 2, 3 zeros to add behind it. So it'd be 58,000 millimeters, okay? So just pay close attention, because sometimes you might have to multiply more than once like we did here on this problem. All right, and so that's what you're going to be doing for 9 through 14. So pay attention for centimeters to millimeters, meters to kilometers, okay? So again, it's all units of length. But if you look at 15 through 20, you're using your comparison symbols, okay? So you're doing greater than, less than, or equal to, okay? So we're going to we'll look at number 5 here. So we have 9,000 meters to 20 kilometers, okay? Well, I know that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So if I'm going to change meters to kilometers, so to km, I'm going to divide this by 1,000. Because again, I'm going from a small unit to a large one, so I'm dividing. And remember, dividing by tens, hundred thousands is super easy. We're just taking off the zeros. So I have 3 zeros here. I can take off the 3 zeros that are down here. So that leaves me with 9 kilometers. So then I know, well, 9 is definitely smaller than 20. So I can do my alligator symbol going to this side. All right, boys and girls. So go ahead. You are now free to go ahead and get started on the rest of your lesson by yourself.